We're going to take a look at the iPhone's Photos app. If we open the Photos application, here we'll be taken to all of the albums that we currently have on our iPhone. You can see that we have our camera roll and all the custom albums that we've created on our Photos application. If we hit the Photo Stream tab, here we can see our photo stream, and if we've added any photo streams from our friends, we'll see them here as well. If we tap on the Places tab, here we can see the location of all the photos that we've taken. If we go back to Albums and select our camera roll, here you can see all the photos that we've taken with our iPhone. If we press the Edit button in the top right-hand corner, we can select the photos we'd like to do, and we can share them by pressing the Share button. And here you can see we have a selection of places that we can share our photos. We can also add to an existing album or even create a new album right from this menu. Or if we wanted to, we could even delete the photos. By pressing the Edit button in the top right-hand corner, we can select photos, and we can choose to share them by pressing the Share button. And here you can see we can share by mail, message, photo stream, Facebook, print, or even copy. If we press Add To, we can add these photos to an existing album or even add them to a new album. If we wanted to add them to an album, just select the one we like to do, and here you can see that we can add them to one of our existing albums. If we wanted to add a new album, just press New Album, give the album a name, and then press Save, and it will be added to our Albums menu. We can even rearrange or delete the albums depending upon what we would like to do. If we went to the albums, and if we press and hold on the photos, we can rearrange them however we would like. We can even add photos by pressing the Add button in the lower menu. If we even wanted to delete photos from our album, we can hit Edit and then hit Remove, and they'll be removed from our album, but not our camera roll. Then to delete the album, just press Edit in the top right-hand corner, and then Delete. Here in our photo stream, we can see all the photos that we've currently uploaded to our photo stream. If we wanted to, we can press Edit in the top right-hand corner, and we can even delete photos. If we press the Places tab, here we'll see all of the geotagged photos that we have in our album, and we can see where they were taken. If we press on this one button, if we press the Places tab, here we'll see all of our geotagged photos. If we press on one of the red thumbnails, we can see all the photos that were taken at this location. We can then press Edit, and we can even select to share these photos, or we can even add them to an existing album, or even add them to a new album. If we go back, we can